Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Joseph and I are on our way to the airport. We are going to go to Telluride, Colorado to go see my family. We're having a family reunion. This will be the first time we've seen my family in almost 2 years because of the pandemic. So I'm so excited to see everybody, and I even have this cute little July 4th swimsuit that I'm gonna wear while I'm there. And I cannot wait. Colorado is so beautiful. I am actually gonna get a pedicure first, and then we're gonna head over to the airport. So we're at the airport right now. We're waiting for our flight to Montrose, Colorado. So we're at the Dallas Fort Worth Airport. We've been here for like 4 hours waiting for our next flight. And Joseph told me that he wanted to buy a souvenir for one of his new friends at summer camp. So he's gonna show you what he got for his new friend.
And I got a ball. It's a ball. It's a bag of pretty much just Laffy Taffies, all candy.
Yeah, and it looks so cute. We love it. It's so adorable. Grammy card, Kason.
We don't need them. It's
Oh.
fun to use your hands. Oh, I didn't. I see one of my parents used to not like me. This is really hard.
She's so cute.
There, you're done.
Joseph, the good part? You're like, that wasn't funny.
This isn't that bad. I've never been on one of these.
Yeah, the next one.
I don't know.
Oh my god. That is really steep. I didn't know it was that
Right down
steep.
there.
That looks so It does look scary, but then it like slows down.
We did it.
That was the scariest part.
That is a fun hike over there. The one
This
you see
isn't
those
that
people doing?
fast.
Oh yeah. Is that the one to Alta Lake?
No, I don't know how to get to Alta
Alta
Lake.
Lake.
Okay, and then I haven't done that hike before. It just
I
looks
don't think I ever
familiar.
did that hike. I'm sure it's great for your cholesterol.
Oh my gosh, I've never eaten anywhere like this before. It's beautiful.
So James and Charlie here, our brother, pounds of peace.
Taking a video.
And on at 3 to 4
Joseph,
pounds.
wave.
And the world record is held by.
She say it was for your blog ad. Your ads.
Wait till she's ready.
Eat a full week.
Hey, thank you, Joseph. And then twist it and it'll get broken off easier. Good job.
Is it good?
It's sour, right? And it's really good. back from our trip. We had so much fun in Colorado. We cannot wait to go back. I want to show you guys this cool recipe that Joseph and I have been cooking this summer. Joseph keeps asking me if we can make some Texas Tillies. So I just got all the ingredients and I'll show you guys how we make them. We're gonna be making a Texas Tilly for lunch. And Joseph actually learned how to make one of these at his grandma's house because she makes them frequently, and so she taught Joseph how to make them, and then he taught me how to do it. So first you make a slit through the hot dog.
And don't cut the hot dog all in half. Just simply put a slit in the hot dog.
Right. And then you fill it with shredded cheese. We're using this
You don't have to fill it
vegan.
with shredded cheese. You can fill it with some lime. Like this cheese.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to fill it with shredded cheese, but you can if you want.
Oh, okay. So we're using this vegan cheese.
With rich bacon.
So we're using this organic bacon that we got from Whole Foods. And all you do is wrap the hot dog in the bacon.
Wrap the bacon on the hot dog.
Mm-hmm.
And make sure the cheese doesn't fall out.
Right. Which I accidentally just made it fall out.
Okay, so you need to put the Q-tips in certain places. And to find out, just watch me.
So these are the hot dogs that we're using. They are organic, uncured, grass-fed beef hot dogs, and they're really good. And now we're going to put this in the oven at 375 degrees. So I baked it for 6 minutes, and then I'm just gonna flip it and bake it for 6 more minutes. So I'll show you guys what the Texas Tilly looks like. It's really good. And Joseph's eating it in a bun, but you don't need to. You can just eat it by itself. So yeah, he loves it. Joseph, a lot of people that don't know us think I'm your babysitter because I look so young.
Are you my mommy?